Run.
After many days, trying for a motor lock. It's been many days. I've not taken out my bike also. Today, I've washed it and it's completely dark. Let's go on a round on my bike. I had fitted with some auxiliary lamps. Recently someone stolen them. Actually I parked out near my home and someone broken it and they have taken it away. Going on a ride after many days feels like heaven. After many days I opened it. I don't know. I forgot some settings also. Completed nearly 22,000 kilometers. I'm close to 23,000 kilometers on this bike, and it's a privilege to have so many kilometers on the bike.
I'm really proud.
Not many changes have been done on my bike. Chain sprocket was changed at nearly 8,000 kilometers. Changed my rear tire after 20,000 kilometers. Clutch assembly was changed at around 20,000 kilometers. Then front suspension oil was placed as the fork seal was opened at around 21,000 kilometers. So many major service has been done, but I'm happy with its pickup. But for long ride, this is the bike.
We got one!
The rear suspension is bit on the stiffer side. We may experience, riders may experience some sort of pain in their lower back after 45 minutes or 1 hour like that. But for that also I have made some changes over the seat. I have added extra cushion. But if you go for an adventure, HD adventure, long rides will be even more smoother on that bike. It has got monoshock suspension, and you will not feel any bumps over the road. Even you can fly over humps also. Will not feel any sort of pain. There is no need of slowing down also. Earlier I used to use more clutch, but now after one change, as my clutch assembly got some problem, then I changed that. After that I am depending very less on the clutch. Yes, it feels so impressive that the bike responds to you. The wear and tear which all the riders experience is different, and it is completely dependent on their riding style. The wear and tear which I experience is completely different from the other rider. I use more clutch, and as a result my clutch assembly got wear out very easily, too early. But that is completely different from other rider who is not using clutch very often. So this sort of experience is what makes bikes special. If same type of wear and tear experience by the all riders, then I think there is some serious problem with the bike. But still these company bikes, Yezdi, Java bikes, still on the raw zone. They're not so smoother yet. The only reason why they're not so smoother because they're not compromising with what company wants to give and what people want. They are very clear. what they want to give to their customers. That's why they are not able to refine to the market standards. Many of the companies which are running in this segment, they clearly know that what customer needs. Customer needs mileage, customer needs less vibration, customer needs less heat expelling out of the engine, which means the bike is smoother. No. If a bike is really of the set standard like 350cc, 350cc bike should run like 350cc. It should not run like 150cc bike. Bike is 350 means its power will be more. If power is more, heating will be more, vibrations will be more, mileage will be less. But some companies, they're selling colors. When riders understand that, that's why I have seen that many bikes which are of 350cc, but they fail to run over highways for long duration. Why? Because they don't have power. They are not meant for long drives. They're just meant for the namesake of 350cc. If that is the case, it will be a problem. That's why this company is not able to reach the market standards of refinement, because they know it cannot be reached so easily. When their motto is to give the good riding experience, then they have to compromise from the customers. They have to compromise with the number of bikes selling out from the showroom. Automatically, not everyone are riders. There's a clear difference between a rider and a commuter. Commuters think differently. What commuters want? Commuters want mileage. They want less heat. They want less vibrations. They don't focus over bike power, how many base horsepower it is of. What about the rider? The characters of rider, only one. He wants to experience the riding. Before buying bike, please be specific. If you want to be a rider or you want to be a commuter. Rider qualities are different, commuter qualities are different, and you cannot expect commuting or riding bikes or experience giving bikes, and riders cannot experience that sort of character in commuter bikes. Actually, this bike, my bike, is giving around mileage of around 30 kmpl. It varies where I'm riding, what is the situations, conditions, in which climatic conditions I'm riding. Everything matters. So it is varying somewhere between 25 to 30, somewhere it has given 22 also, 20. But on highways, on the medium speed of 80 km per hour, I'll be getting nearly 30 kilometers. In the city, it is giving 20 to 24 kilometers. I have traveled 800 kilometers on a single day to Coimbatore without any single problem with the bike. And I was able to reach very early also. I reached somewhere within 8 to 9 hours. I have taken small pit stops here and there. But by this, why I'm telling this point is, you can understand why this bike is meant for. For what purpose? This is meant for touring, highway cruising. And this highway cruiser with power. So after many days, I'm feeling like lion has come out of its bone, its den. Enjoying my freedom. The freedom that bike gives is completely different. It cannot be explained. It can only be experienced. This gives the sort of freedom to us. That's all. Hopefully I'll make another video on a long ride. Until then, please like my video if it's good. Please do subscribe to my channel for more such motor vlogging and moto information related videos.